Pare, siyempre the Blur, Jason Castro, nandiyan pa rin ang anino niyan pare sa talk and text. Kahit siyempre, I don't wanna take the credit from Ray Nambata. May bago silang superstar. Nakita nila para another Jason Castro in the making. Pero iba pa rin to eh. Kasi pare, alam mo, iba pa rin yung superstar kapag nawala na yung dating superstar na nandyan, biglang all of a sudden mag-isa ka na lang. Iba rin yung feeling na ganun eh. So, iba yung lagi kang sa tabi mo, may katuwang ka kasi it's a five-man It's a team effort eh. It's a team game. So, sa akin, napakalaki ng leadership on the court, off the court si Jason. Siyempre, he's a leader by example, performance-wise, tahimik siya. He lets his game do the talking. Presence alone is a constant threat. Pero bakit naman nila nilagay doon sa kahit injury? I don't know kung baka naman ito, they're just testing the waters. Kumbaga sa sinusubukan nila, may kakagat pa. Baka mamaya biglang, hindi ko lang alam baka, uy, naku, 2-3 timang kumukuha. Uy, teka, wag muna. Minsan pwedeng ganun pare. Pwedeng sinusubukan nila ang marketability ni The Blur